How to purchase ICB-aligned learning materials from the Edge online shop. Go to the Edge Education website, edgeeducation.com. Once you are on the website, select the Shop tab. In the shop, you will need to select the full catalog option. Then click on ICB Private Student. This will take you to a login page where you can register as a user on the online shop. Select Register here. On the Register page, select the Student option. Here you will be asked which institution are you studying at. Select the ICB Private Student option. You will then need to fill in your personal information, like your name, email, and phone number. Create a password, then click Submit. Once you've completed the registration process, the ICB-aligned study materials will be visible for you to purchase from the Edge online shop.